Hello students, in last class we learned rename the file, remove the file and copy file into another file. So today it is our third class in file handling part 3. So today we learn file position. It is very important topic in file handling in Python. So to execute file position in Python we have two functions. First is tell and second is seek. So first function is tell. The tell method tells you the current position within the file. In other words, the next read or write will occur at the minute bytes from the beginning of the file. So tell function is used to find what is the current position of our file. And second is seek. This method changes the current file position. So if you want to change current file position, this method is used, seek. So both method we will learn by the following example. So we execute the program first. Step 1. First of all, we declare our file object as fo for the jkl.txt file and in read mode. So we want to read data from that jkl.txt file. So first of all we open the jkl.txt file. So it contains following. Today is Sunday. Python is very easy language. So first what we have done, str equal to fo.read 10. So we want to read first 10 character from this file. So first 10 character is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 including space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will read string today space is space s. When we print this string, this output will come today is s. First of all we will execute this program till so today is. So now position equal to fo.tell. In second step our program, position is a variable which is equals to fo.tell. So tell function is used to find current position of file. So our current position is 10 because we read till 10 character. So position value will be 10. So first we execute till. So our current position file is 10. If we read 20 character, then our current position is 20. So tell function is used to find current position of our file. Now in third step, I write again position equals to fo dot seek 0 0. So what is seek function does? So we will learn from definition. First, this method changes the current file position. So our current file position is now 0 0. So it will reach at the beginning of the file. So in definition, the offset argument, first argument indicate that number of bytes to be moved, and second, if from is set to be 0, then it is the beginning of the file. So here both is 0. So again, so our cursor will move to the first position of the file, then we read again 10 character, so output will be the same. So we execute the program. So again today is s. Now if we want here 1, So if offset value is 1, then program will start from our first position, it means second character. So first we execute the program. So first output it starts from second position. So today from T is absent and next from 10 character. So 10 character is coming. So SU is also coming. If we write 2 here, then 2 means it starts from third position 0, 1, 2. So we execute the program. From 2 it will print 10 character. So output is there. So seek function is used to change current position of our file. Here we are giving 0 and here from I set 1. So what is this? So if it is set to be 1, then current position is used as the reference of the position. So our current position is 10 till now. So here we set our position, current position is 10. From then it will read 10 character from current position. So first we execute, then we learn. Look at this. So first we see the file, what is our file, jkl.txt, then we understand the program. See, so what I did in program, I write here fo dot seek 0, 1. So 1 indicate that it will change current position as the current position. So our current position is 10. So it will print from 10th position till 10 characters. So from 10th position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will start from here U, N, D, A, Y. So current position is our from U. So it will print till 10 character. So our output is from 10 U and D, A from 10 character. If we write our program for seek position is 2. So it means our current position is end of the file. So after end of the file it will print next 10 character. So our output will be nothing because after end of file there is no string. So first we execute the program. So here is no output. So we learned today tell function and seek function, and we have 3 variation of seek function. What is the 3 variation? If current position is 0, then the beginning of the file is used as the current position. If it is set to be 1, then it means the current position is used to set as a position. If it is set to be 2, then end of the file would be taken as the reference position. If offset argument is 0, then it will move file from first position, and whatever value is set here, file starts from that particular position. So what are the 2 methods for file positions? Tell and seek. Very easy definition is tell, it is used to find current position of the file, and seek, it is this method changes the current file position. Seek has 3 variation from value 0, 1, 2. 0 starts from beginning of the file, 1 starts from current position as the file, and 2 starts from end of the position of file. And we learned today single example of that tell and seek file function. Thank you for watching.